it all we've got. The tomatoes touch the surface to soften up the skin. 2 minutes is our target, so let the rush begin. The toast is fresh and ready, base is carrot bright. We layer on the sausage with all its savory might. The warm tomato pieces, they settle on the top. Then mozzarella cheese now, we pray it doesn't stop. A second on the hot pan to melt it down so quick. The cheese begins to bubble, performing the final trick. From gloved and garnished kitchen, the speedy treat is done. The sausage goes